let it be broken by fire. I tear the covering cast. I tear the covering cast. I tear the covering cast. Let your image on the louder. Ashabalaya, Amasadaya, quick help, quick help, quick help, quick help, quick help, quick help, quick help. It's coming your way. It's coming your way. It's coming your way. It's coming your way. Let your image on the louder. Wherever you are, say right now, I announce I am rightly positioned. I am rightly positioned for my help. Declare I am rightly positioned for my help. I am rightly positioned for my help. Declare again, I am rightly positioned for my help. Say today, any dislocation, break by fire. Any dislocation, break, 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 break. Open your mouth. Amasatale, Emekatalasha, Arabalabaya, Ekorasada, Ashataya, Amasate, Ekolasia, Ashabalaya, Akarababa, Arabasa, Ekorasia, Emesatala, Arabalaba, Ekotede, Elamesede, Ebasatia, Ashabata, Arabadaya, Emesudaya, Emekatala, Erababa, Akasia, Emesata, Alabalaba, Abasata. Let your image on the louder. Let your image on the louder. Now declare it right now. Any help I lost, I announce, let there be a restoration. Let your image on the, let your image on the, let your image rise. For the Lord has asked me to declare the 7 kinds of help over your life. Amashatala, Amakotala. We are not talking about the help that you can help yourself with, Bashadaya, or the help that man can bring. But we are talking about Ashabala, the help that only God can make happen. We are talking about the help that only God can release. Abashata, as your 2 hands are lifted before the Lord, Amashade, Amakata, Ikotala, for every stubborn challenge, for every challenge that has proved difficult, as your amen will thunder, I decree, carry your help, carry your help, carry your help, carry your help, carry your help. Let your amen thunder louder. Help that will restore all the years that you lost. Help that will restore all the years that you lost. Rakatabasha, I decree, receive it right now, receive it right now, receive it right now. Amakotasha, Libarabasa, Akachalasha, Amalabasa. That help that will exempt you, that help that will put on you a mantle of exemption. Hear me as I hear the Lord. Receive it right now, receive it right now, receive it right now, receive it right now, receive it right now. Let your image on that help, Amashadaya, Amalasaya, that will lead to a fast track, a fast track, a fast track, a fast track, a fast track in your life. Take it right now, take it right now, take it right now, take it right now. Let your image on Amashadaba, Emekosada, that help that will lead to congratulation, to celebration. Abazada, Amalakata, Emekotaya. I announce, receive your help, receive your help, receive your help, receive your help. Let your image on Amashadaka, Alabazade, Ebakata. Help from your enemies, help from your enemies, help from your enemies, help from your enemies, even those that do not like you, by the reason of sudden help. Hear me as I hear the Lord. They will help you, they will help you, they will help you, they will help you. Rapatakasha, by the reason of sudden help. Rabatai, whether they be systems, Amashada, whether they be individuals, they are coming under pressure. They are coming under pressure to facilitate your help, to facilitate your help, to facilitate your help. Let your image under, let your image under. Amasade, I see the healing of God coming on anyone with ulcer. Ulcer. The